Welcome everybody in a new video of how to create a glowing how it will look. Then we're going to add our logo that we want. We're gonna resize the photo. I want it like this, so I'm gonna right click and select recompose. Gonna select move all attributes into the new composition and press OK. Then we go to layer and auto trace. Here just do this settings as you see it. 0 blur, 1 pixel, 10 pixels, 5%, 50%, and press OK. It's auto tracing. Then we go to effects and presets and search for SABER. This is a plugin that won't come with After Effects. I put the link in description. Then you get SABER and add it into our layer. Then go for preset and select arc reactor with a blue color you see right here. We're gonna adjust the core size to 1. I'm gonna customize the core type, select layer mask so that it goes like the Lego tracing. Then we go for distortion and go to core distortion. The amount, change it to 7. Distortion type for energy. Then we go to render setting and change the composite setting into transparent so that the particles in the background appear. We finished from this. Then we go to 1 second and go to end offset and change it to 0. Then we go to animation and add end offset keyframe. Then go to 8 seconds, I think, and add another offset keyframe and set it to 50%, not 550. Then we are going to duplicate this layer with Ctrl D. We're gonna change just one thing. We go to mask evolution and we made it by A180. Then we're gonna duplicate this same layer and we're gonna delete the SABER effect.